How to deactivate your account on Fiverr. Are you guys facing issues to deactivate your account on Fiverr application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Fiverr app on your mobile device. Once you open the Fiverr app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see a profile icon. Click on it. Now tap on account. After you click on account, you can see the option for deactivation and deletion. Tap on it. You can see two options, deactivate account and delete account. Select deactivate account. Now click on continue to account deactivation. Again click on it and write down the reason why you want to deactivate your account. Once you select the reason, tap on deactivate account. As soon as you click on it, your account will be instantly deactivated. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to deactivate your account on Fiverr. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.